How can I pay my Walmart Mastercard bill?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the process of paying your Walmart Mastercard bill. Whether you prefer to make payments online, by phone, or through the mail, we've got you covered. Let's get started.
Paying your bill online.
If you prefer the convenience of online payments, follow these steps. 1. Log in to your Walmart Mastercard online account using your username and password. If you haven't set up an online account yet, you can easily do so by visiting the Walmart Mastercard website and selecting the Register or Sign Up option. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments or Pay Bill section. This area should provide you with options for making your payment online. 3. Enter the amount you wish to pay and select your desired payment method. You may be able to choose from options such as using your bank account or credit/debit card. 4. Verify the payment details and confirm your payment. Make sure to double-check the amount and the payment method before proceeding. 5. After completing the payment, you should receive a confirmation message or email. Keep this as a record of your payment.
Paying your bill by phone.
If you prefer to pay your Walmart Mastercard bill over the phone, follow these steps. 1. Locate the customer service phone number for your Walmart Mastercard. You can usually find this number on the back of your card or on your billing statement. 2. Dial the provided phone number and follow the automated prompts to reach the payment option. You may need to enter your card details and other information to proceed. 3. Enter the amount you wish to pay when prompted, and provide the necessary payment information, such as your bank account or credit/debit card details. 4. Carefully review the payment details before confirming the transaction. Ensure the amount and payment method are correct. 5. Once the payment is processed, listen for a confirmation number or any other relevant information. Keep this information for your records.
Paying your bill by mail.
If you prefer to pay your Walmart Mastercard bill by mail, follow these steps. 1. Locate your billing statement for the current month. This statement should contain the necessary payment information and the address where you should send your payment. 2. Obtain a personal check or money order payable to the designated payee. Make sure to write your Walmart Mastercard account number on the check or money order to ensure proper credit to your account. 3. Prepare an envelope addressed to the payment address specified on your billing statement. Ensure the address is accurate and legible. 4. Place the check or money order inside the envelope. You may want to include your billing statement as well, although it is usually not required. 5. Seal the envelope and affix the necessary postage. Consider sending the payment through a reliable postal service to ensure its safe delivery. 6. Keep a copy of the payment for your records, such as a photocopy of the check or money order, as proof of payment. Congratulations! You now know how to pay your Walmart Mastercard bill using various methods. Whether you choose to pay online, by phone, or through the mail, always remember to review the payment details carefully to ensure accuracy. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Walmart Mastercard's customer service. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you.